Dan Deming of KCAM Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. And once again, earnings a big focus this week. We have Apple, Caterpillar, and a lot of other names. AK Steel, a big name.
Yeah, and it's interesting, Angie, when you look at the activity that we've seen the last couple of weeks, certainly when you look at individual volatility of some of those stocks, it's been decisive, and yet the market continues to discount it as a whole. And then even last week we saw some rotation, so we saw some disappointing numbers from the likes of a Facebook, and Intel and some of those high flyers. Yet we saw rotation into some of the names that aren't so much featured but have been stalwarts throughout the years, like J&J and 3M and some of those names. So again, you're seeing money maybe coming out of the high flyers, but it looks like it's rotating into some of the other names.
Dan, what else would you watch for this week?
Yeah, this week we've got a lot of news items, Angie, and certainly highlighted by the central bank activity. We have the Fed announcement in the middle of the week. The other one I'm really keying in on is the Bank of Japan announcement later in the week, because they indicated that they may shift their rate policy moving forward, and the market caught wind of that a week ago, and we saw a big shakeup in the interest rate environment. So I think a lot of market participants are paying much closer attention to that announcement this week. And also, obviously, unemployment next Friday.
Which is a big one to watch.
It's a big one.
Especially coming off that GDP number.
Exactly. And the GDP number, the price deflator in there was interesting because it was a little higher than what the market had expected. And so again, that puts the onus on the Fed when you look at the potential possibility of a rate hike in December. You see that continue to creep up now, and it looks like we may actually get that fourth rate hike.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. Have a great and busy week.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Ange. Thanks for having me.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.